All right, everybody, in Nocatee, new community of Del Webb, here at Miss Dickerson's house. We're gonna be transplanting a few oak trees in the backyard. We got brand new plants, redoing the whole front yard, taking all these out, leaving our fantastic magnolia tree right there. We love working in the new neighborhoods, and the access to the backyard, can't beat it. It's right over the fence. We can go right into the lot next door. There's nobody there. Along the side of the house here, not too much to redo, but we're gonna be taking out these small little plants right here. A lot of times with the new home designs and when you have the HOA coming in, when you build a new home, they want you to have a specific amount of plants. They want you to have this type of plant. We encompass all that whenever we're designing landscapes for your home. You guys can help us with what you want. We can work with the HOA or the city. We work with everybody, so it's Earthworks. I mean, you can't beat this access right to the road right there. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be taking out this oak tree right here and taking it back to the nursery with us for safekeeping. So yeah, kind of keeping with the privacy on this side of the fence here, since there's gonna be some more podocarpus. Gonna, get as tall as you'll let them. Kind of protecting the sidewalk and, so people won't be looking into their screen and everything. But on this side of the fence, we're gonna be having rocks. Kind of adds kind of a nice little backsplash to the grill. Paver guys are coming tomorrow. Maybe 4 days. Probably get done before Friday. Today's Monday. So have a nice new yard by the weekend. All right, everybody, day 2. We got a lot of stuff going on today. Just got the paver pad in the backyard done. We added a couple of small things, not a problem though. A little pad for the hose on this side and on the other side of the house. Yesterday, I sprayed out the backyard. Even though we're taking out all the grass, I sprayed it out to kind of get a visual of where I want the beds to be at. I got my citrus trees here in the backyard. They're gonna get enough space. They got enough room to walk around to their gate. All right, here in the front yard, we got all the plants pulled up. We got the little gem magnolia, we left that here. It's gonna provide some shade for the front of the house. It's gonna be fantastic. The azaleas here in the front, we're gonna be transplanting in the backyard, so I went ahead and left those in the ground for right now. The drainage here in the front yard was something that we kind of had an addition on. The homeowner wanted the hard PVC pipe, which is not a problem. It's a little bit better, lasts longer, less problems in the future. We had to go underneath this paver walkway here. Not a problem, we just lifted them up. We're gonna add some more, some fresh crushed down underneath there, underneath the pavers. Very important, obviously, when we're doing pavers is the prep work. Prep work is always the most important. This crushed that we have down here is basically, that's perfect for what we want. That's what we use here at Earthworks. Matt did a great job over here of making sure that the drainage box was flush with the grass. You don't want it to be too high or too low, especially if it's too low. You're gonna have a problem with washout underneath and it's gonna have a pooling effect. You're not gonna have a good time. I'm standing here on the side of the house. We got our drainage coming down from our gutter. Very important whenever we're digging. I don't know if you noticed, but there's flags. I got stuff all around me. I got the water, the gas line, the cable for the whole neighborhood is basically what I'm standing on right here. So I have to be very careful. I kind of stopped digging before where I needed to, just to make sure that I don't hit anything. Our main thing, what we're trying to accomplish here, is to get the water away from the house. What the homeowner had before were these, and this is okay to get the water away from your house, also with this on your drainage. And this is completely up to the customer. We can use a corrugated ADS tube, which has some flex to it, so we have more play in the hole basically. This hard pipe, we have to be more precise with what we're doing. Circumstance before where we have the paver patio going over on top of the pipe, the ADS is going to want to squish, so the hard pipe doesn't do that. It's perfect for what we need for in this time right here. So like I said, we're on the second day here. I got a lot of stuff to do. We're still on track, even though we added a couple of things, which is fantastic. I love being on track. Got a plethora of plants, got colors, got the frost-proof gardenias. Those are gonna be really nice. Privacy hedge with the podocarpus, lantana, all the butterfly stuff. Here at Earthworks, our designers, our landscape team, we're all very experienced in what we do. We're very flexible, endless possibilities. Last day on the Dickerson job, some thoughts. Everything went smooth. This is one of those jobs where we have everything that encompasses Earthworks. We have irrigation, drainage, pavers, plants, trees. We even have the pots right here. I just got done rigging up the little drip irrigation system for it. So I'm standing on the extended patio. The patio used to come about where the screen door was. Used the Lion's Bridge. Can't beat it. Accents the house. The metal edging and the rocks. Can't beat it. It accents the pavers. Once we put some water on it, I'm sure John will show a little video of the nice new rocks. This is kind of a newer grass that is available to us right now called Citra Blue. It's a variety of St. Augustine grass. So we're giving it a try. Good idea with the citrus trees, if you have them up against a fence, probably keep them away from the fence at least 7 to 10 feet so you can get the fruit around the backside. That's a good idea. So originally we had grass in the back there, and the homeowner didn't want to be mowing behind and underneath the citrus trees, so we're just going to mulch that, use some of the sod up here in the front and on the side, podocarpus hedge, and the way that it's angled right here is you have a nice little privacy fence from both sides of the street, and they have some on the other side of their screened-in patio right there on the side. All right, I'd like to thank Miss and Mrs. Dickerson for allowing us to come to their house. It's been a great time. We've done a few houses here in the neighborhood already. If you're watching this video, you're in the Nocatee area, I'd love to come and do your house. I can't wait.